Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aldo Reghan Ramadhan. NIM 191-0x0-200-193. I'm from 283 Informatics class. So in this video, I will show you about comparating mobile application framework between React Native and Flutter. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, what is React Native? React Native is an open source mobile application framework created by Facebook. It is used to develop applications for Android, iOS, web, and UWP by enabling developers to use React along with native platform capabilities. An incomplete port for Qt also exists. So, React Native, created by Facebook, based on JavaScript mobile. Based on JavaScript programming language, where the JavaScript is a very popular programming language, and this is why React Native is so very popular. Next, this is the main structure from React Native. We can see in here React Native have a simple structure or main structure because it is so familiar. This is like a JavaScript. If you from web developer and you want to build mobile apps and you choose a React Native, it's a very it's a best choice for you because you will easy for adaptation, and the structure it's like a JavaScript. Okay, next, different with React Native. What is Flutter? Flutter is an open source UI software development kit created by Google. It is used to develop applications for Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux, Google Fuchsia, and the web from a single codebase. Yes, Flutter, created by Google, depends on Dart programming language. This is why the Flutter is have a clean code. It's not simple, but it's a clean code. Why is clean code? In the next part, I will tell about you why the Flutter is have a clean code. Okay. Okay, this is the main structure from Flutter. Yes, we can see in here different with React Native. The main structure of Flutter, it's not simple, but it's so clean. Why it's clean? We can see in here the widget. The widget is a main weapon from Flutter. The widget can build the good design, a beautiful design, smooth animation, and your apps can run 60 fps and very smooth in your device. This is code from Dart programming. You can design and coding part by part, and this is very flexible if you want to build a mobile apps. Okay, this is a comparating the main structure from React Native and Flutter. We start from React Native. Yes, we can see React Native a simple code, but different with Flutter. We can see a significant if you wanna import a library in React Native. Import, just write import name from where. Different with Flutter. Flutter can import package. It's the name from your package. It's just that. Next. So in this part, I will tell you about plus from React Native and Flutter. React Native based on JavaScript programming language. Yes, this is why React Native are very popular. Have a simple code and always update, and why developer it's so very fun using a React Native. Second, have a good community. Yes, if you wanna have error or trouble and you wanna fixing your trouble, you can ask in the community React Native and your trouble and your problem is so fixing. Third, simply structured code. Yes, back to point one, because based on JavaScript have a simple program main structure. It's like a React Native. This is why React Native is very popular. Fourth, best choice for web developer. Of course, because why? Web developers are familiar with JavaScript and React Native based on JavaScript. If you web developer and you wanna make apps and you choose React Native, it's the best choice for you. Fifth, apps can run in Android and iOS. Yes, it is like a tagline from React Native. React ones run anywhere. You just make one apps, but your apps can run in Android and iOS. Okay, different with Flutter. Flutter is not have simply structured code, but Flutter have a clean structured code because first Flutter created based on Dart programming language. Second, Flutter have a beautiful design. Yes, because Flutter have a widget for being many weapon. The widget can make your image have a HD resolution and your apps can run 60 FPS in your device and you can build smooth animation with Flutter. Third, developed by Google. Yes, this is why point the crucial point from plus is Flutter because Flutter developed by Google. We know the product from Google. Google's always success or release the product for easy for study. Yes, if you're from web developer, is I I think you choose React Native. But if you're from Java developer, desktop developer, Android or iOS developer, the best choice is a Flutter. But why? The easy for study. The, the structure it's same like a Java programming. So you don't need study for a long time. Fifth, apps can run in many different devices. So if React Native React ones can run in Android and iOS, the difference with Flutter React ones, your apps can run in Android, iOS, website, Google Fuchsia, and Android TV. Okay, in this part I will tell you about the minus from React Native and Flutter. We start from React Native. First, you need a stable internet connection. Why you need a stable internet connection? Because all package, all library from React Native, it's online, it's not offline. This is why you need a stable internet connection. Second, low performance. Yes, because all of them from React Native is online. If you wanna run your apps into your device, your apps can have a low performance. Third, not suitable for beginner. Yes, I think I think so because if you want to learn React Native, you you must learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. After that, you learn React Native. It's a need study for a long time. Fourth, such a fast time. Yes, because based on JavaScript, the JavaScript every week, every month, always update, always upgrade, and it's a fast change. It's like a React Native, every week, every month, always update and always change. And it's so very disturb your work for making mobile apps. Fifth, bad documentation. Why bad documentation? First, React Native have a new version. But documentation, if you wanna visit documentation, you can visit from official website. In official website, you just find all documentation. But React Native have a new version. This is why React Native have crucial point minus. Okay, Flutter. First, you need a high PC specification. Why? Because Flutter have a many module and library. You need a load, and if you don't use high PC specification, your apps is run very slowly. Second, little bit community. Yes, of course, because Flutter is new player in the mobile application framework. This is why Flutter still have a little bit community. Third, big size of apps. Yes, this is a crucial minus point why Flutter have a big size of apps. Because the Flutter can make your apps is very smooth, 60 FPS, and the management memory in your phone it's very good. This is why Flutter have a big size of your apps. Fourth, big size of update. Yes, the Flutter is not like React Native. React Native every week, every month is update. Different with Flutter. Flutter just every month Flutter will be updated, but once update will be you need 200 until 222 megabyte. If Flutter have still a bug because why? Yes, this is new mobile programming, mobile application framework. This is why Flutter still have a bug, many bug, but don't worry. From Flutter team on the Google always develop the process and always fixing the bug. Okay, that's all of them. And my name is Aldo Reghan Ramadhan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.